God bless you, Algebra 2 students. This is a quick video to help you with your test tomorrow. I trust some of you will be able to watch it and get some help from it. Just two questions really, because I know some people, well, a few of you are really good with types like number 5 and number 6, and some people still are not sure. So here is number 5. On this, it says, write the equation of a line which passes through the point -6, -4, and is parallel to the line y equals -2x plus 7. Use the slope-intercept form. Okay, so again, I encourage you to read it twice. Write the equation of a line which passes through the point -6, -4, and is parallel, that's a key word here, to the line y equals -2x plus 7. Use the slope-intercept form. So in doing this, the first thing to do is to write the slope-intercept form of the equation of the line y equals mx plus b right here. Then, since the line we are looking for, the line we seek, is parallel to this line, you know that parallel lines have the same slope. Therefore, whatever the slope of this line is, it's going to be the same as the slope of the line we seek. So, I'm sure you can tell me what the slope of this line is. It's going to be -2, as I can probably hear some of you saying. So it's -2. So instead of m here, we put -2. So your second step would be y equals, instead of m, put -2, then x plus b. Essentially, this would be your answer, except that you don't know the b. So we have to find out now what will the b be. So that's the key. Once we find the b, we're going to write this equation, y equals -2x plus whatever the b is. So, who remembers how to find the b? Well, the way to do it is, since we know that -6, -4 satisfies this line that we're looking for, wherever we see x, we're going to put -6. So -2x is going to become -2 times -6. Wherever we see y, we're going to put -4. So put -4 for the y here. So this is what we have now. -4 equals -6 times -2 plus b. Still finding the b, and we can find it very quickly here. -2 times -6 will give us a positive 12. So we're going to rewrite this line as -4 equals positive 12 plus b. Just go step by step. Don't skip any steps. Now we're almost there. And I'm sure you can tell me, subtract the 12 from both sides. So we're going to subtract the 12 from the right side of the equal sign, subtract 12 from the left side, as I've shown here. Positive 12 minus 12, that will be completely gone, and we'll be left with -4 minus 12. What's that? Well, we have two negatives, going to give us a bigger negative, right? That's -16 equals b. Now we have the b. We're going to plug it right in here, and we rewrite this, and it becomes y equals -2x minus 16. This is the answer. Okay? Well, let's take a look at a similar one in number 6. Write the equation of a line which passes through the point -1, -6, and is not parallel now, but perpendicular to the line y equals 1/5 of x plus 7. Perpendicular, what does that mean? It means the line we seek will have a slope which is a negative reciprocal of the slope of this given line. What's the slope of this line? You said it. It's 1/5. So the slope of the line we seek will be what? -5/1, or just -5. So again, when we start, we write the slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. The next step, instead of m, we write -5 because we agree that the slope is -5. So y equals -5x plus b. We write everything the same except that we know the slope is -5. Again, here we don't know the b, and we go in search of it. How? Wherever we see x, we're going to put negative 1. Wherever we see y, we're going to put negative 6. So here it comes. For the y, we put negative 6. For the x, we put negative 1. So it's negative 5 times negative 1. And then plus b stays as is. Negative 5 times negative 1 gives us a positive 5. So this line becomes negative 6 equals positive 5 plus b. And we've got one step to go. We want to get rid of this positive 5 from beside the b, so we subtract 5 from both sides. When we do, we get negative 6 minus negative 5, which gives us negative 11. Remember, when you have two negatives, you add, you get a bigger negative. So b becomes negative 11. And we rewrite this as y equals negative 5x minus 11, because we now have the b. That would be the answer. Alright? So I trust that will help some. What you should do is take the one you have, even if you've worked it before, just cover your paper and rework it again, step by step, as I've showed you here, until you get the answer. You know what the answer should be. Just rework them until you feel confident. See you soon. Bye-bye.